Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to index your Blogger post in Google Search Console. This is a crucial step if you want your blog content to appear in Google search results quickly rather than waiting for Google to discover it on its own. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Search Console, open your web browser, and head over to search.google.com/search console. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation panel. Click on the drop-down menu at the top of this panel, and from the options that appear, select Add Property. This is where you'll register your Blogger site with Google Search Console so it can start tracking and indexing your content. You'll now see two options for adding a property. We're going to use the URL prefix method, which is simpler for Blogger users. In the URL prefix field, paste your complete Blogger URL. Make sure you include the full address, starting with https:// and ending with blogspot.com. After pasting your URL, click the Continue button to proceed with the verification process. Google will now verify that you own this Blogger site. This might take a few moments, so be patient while the system confirms your ownership. Once the verification is complete, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen. At this point, click the Go to Property button to access your newly added properties dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll manage all indexing requests and monitor your site's performance in Google Search. Now it's time to get your specific blog post indexed. Switch over to your Blogger dashboard in another tab. Navigate to the blog post you want to index. You'll notice a small eye icon next to your post, which is the preview button. Click on this icon to open a preview of your blog post in a new window or tab. This preview shows exactly how your post will appear to readers once it's published. With the preview open, look at the address bar at the top of your browser and copy the complete URL of your blog post. This URL is what you'll submit to Google Search Console for indexing. Head back to your Google Search Console tab and locate the search bar at the very top of the page. Paste your blog post URL into this search bar and press Enter. This tells Google Search Console which specific page you want to index. After you've submitted the URL, Google Search Console will analyze it and show you the current indexing status. Look for the button labeled Request Indexing and click on it. This sends a direct request to Google to crawl and index your specific blog post right away, rather than waiting for the next scheduled crawl. And that's it. Google will now process the indexing request for your Blogger post. Keep in mind that while the request is submitted immediately, it may take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days for your post to actually appear in Google search results. You've successfully submitted your blog post for indexing, which will help your content reach your audience much faster. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.